everyone for coming. I hope you had a great week so far. We're kicking off the Chain Abstraction Day. It's really exciting to see more and more people joining. They said they have, 3 to 5 projects pitching them chain abstraction every day now.
If you build this kind of community, you need to make sure that you have the real tools to move assets.
The chain abstraction is a mindset where we're trying to remove this complexity from the user. Account abstraction was more of a how do we do it?
I think chain abstraction is the bridge in between what we do, but fundamentally we have to work towards great applications.
You can see who can upgrade it, you can see who has authority, and you can preserve all of the escrow and safety while upgrading smart contracts underneath.
Hope you guys had a good week. We have an opportunity to disrupt existing platforms by building better products.
AI is the fastest growing thing that we've ever seen.
We've been incredibly excited to be a part of this Near Horizon AI Incubator cohort, specifically because we get to work with a lot of great projects, and Near's opened us up to a ton of new connections.
We as an industry are really starting to see that lines between these technologies are a lot more blurry than we initially thought.
So specifically, what we're doing is applying all this for AI developer, right? So we have set a benchmark, and kind of the way we're structuring this process is there's a user talking with a AI PM, AI product manager, where you're refining the specification. This is pretty much it. I'm excited for everyone to come here for projects that are building. Hope you have a great end of EthCC.